To do the base of the skull, then use 2 balls. This one's really simple. The balls go at the base of the skull, not in the fleshy bit. I like it on the bone for this one. And the weight of the head is basically just going to spread the balls out to the side. So here's what it looks like laying on the ground. Balls go kind of on the bony bit. There is still a little bit of muscle on that bony bit. There's also muscles that go in right underneath the skull. These balls probably won't get all the way in there. That's what fingertips are for. But you may not have fingertips easily accessible to you, so do what you can with the balls. Balls go here, where the head goes directly on top, and then breathing and just waiting. And the balls will, with the weight of your head, just slowly move to the outside, and with it they will bring the tissue out to the outside and then tease it off the base of your skull. If you're looking for a little bit extra, you can explore eye movements. The eye movements they're like hardwired into the suboccipital muscles, which is the ones that go in underneath the occiput, and that can help to sort of expedite the process. There'll be a point when your head starts resting on the floor, and that's the point where you're probably not going to get any more sliding action. So at that point, you can grab yourself a block and do the same thing with the balls up on the block. Where have you gone? Oops. These are not performance balls, apparently. They don't like the camera. So in the same spot, and they probably won't roll quite as much in this position, but you can sit and you can wait, and that little stretch on the neck can help to open things up a little bit. If you want a little bit more, then you can do the nodding motion. And if you're feeling super aggressive, then stand the block and same, come up on top and let the balls do the work. You may need to give them some assist, so you can separate balls with your fingertips. It's just a slow pull, just feeling that first point of resistance and teasing them apart as the muscle teases off the bone.